Today, for our game show week on the Math Musings page, we are going to talk about my family's favorite game, Jeopardy. Now, I have never been much of a much of a trivia person, I would say, but my parents love Jeopardy and they watch it every single night. So I wanted to share with you these lovely pictures of the host, Alex Trebek. Alex Trebek has been hosting Jeopardy since 1984. The show Jeopardy has been in the US since 1964, so it has been around for more than 50 years. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the rules of Jeopardy for those of you that have never seen it before. The first round of Jeopardy is called the Jeopardy Round, and in this round there are 6 categories, and the values for each question are 200, 400, 600, 800, and 1000. So each question in that category has to do with that topic. There is also one daily double. A daily double is hidden in one of those squares. So maybe you select a $600 question and it comes up that it's the daily double. That means that the question is no longer worth $600 and you can wager however much you have in your bank. So if you have $50,000 at that point in the game, you could say, I'm going to make it a true daily double and wager $50,000. If you get the question right, you would have $100,000. If you got it incorrect, you would have $0. The next round of Jeopardy is called Double Jeopardy, and for a reason, because now all of the values of the questions are doubled. So now the questions are worth 400, 800, 1200, 1600, and 2000. And instead of having one daily double, there are now 2 daily doubles. Lastly, there is a final category called Final Jeopardy, so final round. And in this round, you have one single question, and it's kind of like a daily double where you decide how much you're going to wager on that question. So if you had $70,000 in your total, you could say, I'm going to wager $70,000 and end up with $140,000 or 0. So there have been many greats on Jeopardy over the years. One of my former students down there, Alex Johnson, he was on Jeopardy in the kid tournament. But what would it mean for someone to have a perfect game? So this means that their competitors, don't get any questions right. They are the person that gets every single question right. And they have perfectly placed daily doubles. So the daily double is in a spot where they're getting the most bang for their buck. How much money would they have at the end? That's for you to think about in today's Math Musing questions. Put your answer in the comments. Good luck.